We're celebrating 12 years of the inventory reconciliation app for Visual ERP. What a decade it's been. We've been on a persistent journey to help visual users improve inventory management, working process controls, and costing data. This app is much more than just a reconciliation tool. It is a safeguard against costly inconsistencies between subledgers and posted records. It is your time saver. Reconcile inventory and working process in minutes at lightning speed. It is your financial eye. Unearth costing issues at the part and work order levels and dive into transaction details to scrutinize history, cost trends, and pin down when inconsistencies began. It is your reporter. Create inventory evaluation reports at any given time, even rewinding to previous periods. It is your central hub. Merge data from multiple databases and sites into one user interface, an all-in-one reporting tool for management teams. It is your right hand. Conduct real-time checks of inventory, work in process, purchases, labor costs, and critical data. This way, you're always a step ahead, able to avert problems before the month-end process. It is your data artist. Leverage interactive dashboards that elegantly illustrate key metrics and performance indicators for intuitive data visualization. It is your visual trainer. Enhance your team's performance and maximize your investment with our comprehensive package of training courses, workbooks, invaluable e-learning tips, and a collection of standard operating procedures tailored specifically for visual manufacturing users. Our goal is to ensure you receive an exceptional return on your investment while providing peace of mind when integrating new members into your team. At BMS, we're not just about delivering an app. We're in the business of offering outstanding customer support, promptly resolving your concerns, and persistently refining our products to keep up with your evolving needs. What we've built here at BMS isn't something you'll find elsewhere, as we've poured our originality and innovation into our products. We're thankful and will keep working harder to continue supporting the Visual ERP community.